It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Friday, April 1st. I'm James Spann. Weather for the weekend, cooler and brighter. Check it out today. There's the water vapor satellite view. Trough axis getting closer. Still rain falling over much of South and East Alabama. That was the radar at 2:32 this afternoon. The bulk of the rain south of a line from Thomasville to Marbury to Roanoke. Little patchy light rain around Tuscaloosa and Fayette. We still could see some light rain in spots this evening, but not very much. Temperature is 70 in Anniston, mostly 60s elsewhere. Birmingham at 66. We'll expect highs in the mid-60s tomorrow and Sunday as well. Around the nation, pretty cold air dipping into Minnesota, the upper Midwest. We'll catch some of that this weekend. We're expecting upper 30s in many spots early Sunday morning, maybe mid-30s for the colder pockets. Still got a flash flood watch for about the southern half of the state. And flash flood warnings down around Dothan and Geneva. And also looks like a tornado watch now for parts of North Florida and South and Central Georgia. That's the convective outlook for the rest of today and tonight. Got a risk of severe weather for the Gulf Coast, parts of the South Atlantic coast. In Alabama, the slight risk is now south of a line from north of Mobile up to about Luverne, Troy, and Phoenix City. And again, after tonight, no severe weather worries for a while. Tomorrow, a marginal risk well to the south over parts of Central and South Florida. And the rain for the next 5 days, the bulk of the rain, of course, coming today and tonight over South Alabama. This is valid through Wednesday morning of next week. Not much for the northern counties of the state. And weather for the weekend will be rain-free. All right, model fans, here we go. The GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 1 o'clock, troughing over the east. And a dry air mass. Be a little breezy at times tomorrow. In fact, I might say windy at times with winds of maybe 15 to 25 out of the north. Good day to go fly a kite. High will be in the middle 60s and the sky will be sunny. Sunday, sunny. The wind will be much calmer. The high will be in the middle 60s. And Sunday morning, you can see mid to upper 30s over North Alabama off the GFS. And again, frost for the colder valleys and protected areas. Growers, be aware of that. Monday, a little clipper passes north of the state. We stay dry. The high Monday should be in the low 70s. Tuesday, a slightly cooler air mass drops in behind that clipper. We see a high dropping back in the 60s. The sky will stay sunny. Wednesday, a deep surface low near Chicago with a trailing front. It's going to pick up a little moisture, and Wednesday night we'll mention a chance of showers, maybe some thunder. That probably will not be a severe weather setup because of the lack of moisture. And then Thursday, we're getting into drier air and cooler air. Highs dropping back in the 60s. And this is a week from today, Friday, April 8th, troughing on the East Coast. A cool, dry air mass, a 1025 millibar high just west of the state. And again, the GFS depicting a pretty cold morning for April 8th with mid-30s. And that could be a frosty one. We see 32 showing up there at Fort Payne. So again, growers, just be aware of that. We might be dealing with another frost freeze threat in about 1 week. This is the end of the forecast period. Monday, April 11th. Troughing in the southwest. Like storm system is getting its act together across the plains. We might see some storms in that day or two after that. Anomalies below average. This is April 9th through April 15th. And the numbers. Temperatures looks pretty cool in the morning. And again, I think we'll see some 30s Sunday morning and then again next Friday morning as well. Rather chilly for this late in the season. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. My next video will be Monday morning at 7 o'clock. Brian Peters, the man that looks like Colonel Sanders. We'll have the video updates here tomorrow and Sunday. And if you can catch us this evening on the live stream of the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, and God bless.